Fine. So we're gonna look at question 2, right? The extract number. Which extract are we looking at?
2.
Extract number 2. Okay, extract number 2. Question 5. So the work that I expected was extract number 4. Those who attended the first session are supposed to do extract number 2 and extract number 4, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Did you attempt extract number 4?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So the second extract and the third extract, will you look at them on your own? Ne? We're gonna focus on the fourth extract, ne? Which is on your screen right now. Can we all see it?
Yes, you can.
Fine. So it says that's determine the expression for tan M in terms of LM, MN, NO, OM, or LN. So any of the 5, right? Here's LM,
Yes.
LM, LN. So it's all of those sides, right? So we have to express M. Here's M. Tangent.
Yes.
Can you please mute yourself? Because I want to hear myself speaking, because there's a bit of distractions. Mute yourself, all of you. Ne? Thank you. So, Sbonelo, please mute.
Yes, sir.
Please mute. Mute yourself.
It's black, sir. Oh.
Mute. Do you understand what's mute, Sbonelo?
Yes, sir.
Sbonelo, thank you. Fine. Use the chat box instead. Ne? If you have a question, use the chat box. Or raise up your hand. Ne? We understand each other. I don't think we do. If I mute you, you want to say something, raise up your hand. If you want to speak, you raise up your hand. Ne? Because there's disturbance and we only have 40 minutes. Fine. So let's continue right now. 4.2 says, if x is equal to 7, the first question says determine the expression, right? So I'm gonna look at M. Here's my M. The tangent is opposite over the adjacent. So meaning I'm gonna have tan M. Shireen, I'm gonna remove you off the session if you do it again. It's tan M is equal to it's going to be ln over lm. So it's ln over lm. That's the first one. This is the first one. And we go to number 2. In number 2, I'm gonna have also tan m. Tan m. Tan m is equal to, I go back to the diagram. Tan m is equal to, I'm going to look at for the 90 degrees also. How many triangles do you see? How many triangles do you see are in here? How many triangles? Show of hand. Mobile. Oh, yes.
Sir, I was just saying, please use another color because I can't see clearly.
Another color.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna use another color right now. Okay, let me take this first. Bokang,
I see 2 triangles.
you see two
I
triangles.
see 3, sir. I see 3.
Oh, yeah,
Raise up
it's
your
3.
hand if you have.
Yeah, it's
Please, just as just that we make order, ne? Order. Raise up your hand if you have an answer, ne? So Bokang said 2. Okay, here's the triangle. Here's the triangle. Bokang sees 2. See here?
I see 3, sir.
3. Okay, 3. 3. Can you name the triangle, Sihle? Or is there anyone that would like to name the triangles? Okay, there's 3. So one that includes tangent.
My hand is up.
Yes, Amukelan.
So I wanted to ask for triangle LNO,
And
right?
O.
This time
Triangle
LNO.
M N
LNO.
M N M what?
No.
L O.
LNO.
Okay, L and O, yes.
So I wanted to ask
Mhm.
the right angle sign, it's interlapping with the other triangle. Is it forming another triangle, that small one, or is it just
This right angle or this one? The bottom one or the top one?
in the diagram, like the top one,
This
there's
one.
like a right angle sign. Which one
Can
is
you
it?
see the
That's very
diagram
easy to-
on your? Can you see the diagram on your screen?
No,
You cannot see. I'm sharing the screen.
no. The 10M on my screen.
It's not appearing on your screen.
No.
Anyone else? Can you see my screen or you cannot?
We can see your screen, but it's not the diagram.
It's not that. It's not extract number 4.
No.
Yes.
It's 10M.
Okay.
no.
Wait, Bokang. Wait. You're not allowed to speak unless I allow you to, ne? Sharp. So Amukelani, which extract are you talking
Huh?
about? Was it the first extract?
Extract 4. No,
Extract
extract
number
4.
4.
Yes.
So L and you're saying M and L. M and L. L and O.
Out. Yes.
Okay. So you're saying the 90 degrees.
Yes.
Fine. Let me explain something. Ne? In this diagram, let me redraw it. I hope you can.
Actually,
Let me redraw it. I hope you can see my screen. Ne? Okay. My connection is unstable. Let me redraw it. Is the color fine?
yeah.
Yes, it's fine.
Right. So you have L here, you have O, you have N, you have M. Right? This is the diagram, isn't it? It's just that it's straight. This one is straight, and then mine is extremely straight. Right? It's precise. Sharp. So here, I'm assuming everybody's on mute, ne? That's my assumption. I'm assuming, unless they want to be removed. Fine. So for tangent, this is M, right? M. I want tan M. So it's going to be opposite over adjacent. Ne, I said LM instead. This is incorrect. This is opposite over adjacent. So it's going to be MN, right? This is for triangle LMN. Can we all see triangle LMN? Triangle LMN. Can we all see it? It's this triangle right here. It's this one. Can we see it? So it's the opposite over the adjacent. Bokang, you have a question? Bokang? Okay. Fine. So any question? Anyone that can see the diagram? Okay, it's fine, we can move on. So in this triangle, tan M, it's this side over that side. So we're gonna look into another triangle, né? The one that involves M and a 90 degrees, which is this one right here. It's this one. M, L, O, O, O. This triangle right here. It has the 90 degrees, it has M also. So we can use the trig ratio. So this side, what's opposite? Raise your hand if you have an answer. What's opposite to angle M? What's opposite to angle M? Raise up your hand if you have an answer. Muketwa?
I think it's LO.
LO, correct. Thank you, Muketwa. So it's going to be LO over Amkelani?
Did you say angle M or angle N?
Angle M, right here, this tangent, angle M is which side? In triangle, oh yeah, let me give the triangle, ne? It's triangle M,
Mhm.
L, O. Yes, in triangle
Oh.
M, L, O. So M, the tangent of M, it's L, O over what? Okay, so it's going to be LO over ML. ML. Those are our marks. 1 mark for that, 1 mark for that. So in total, it's 2 marks. Sharp, ne? Muketo, you have a question?
No, sir, I wanted to answer LM and incorrect.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you for that. Sharp. So we can move to the next question, isn't it? 4.2, where it says calculate. If x is equal to 17, calculate 1 sine squared 3x. This is basically substitution, isn't it? 1 mark, 1 mark. So we're gonna do these ones. We're gonna do the first one, and then we have okay, these ones are the sec 4.3. These are trig equations. Can we see? These are trig equations. So this will be your homework because you did trig equations in the second term. I don't want to waste time with trig equations. I want to do diagrams. So we're gonna look at 4.2. In 4.2, it's basically substitution. So I'm gonna say 4.2, 1 minus sine 2 exponent 3x. Oh, it's not an exponent, it's actually a part. So x, what is the value of x? They gave us. What is the value of x? 17.
17.
Yes. So basically I'm substituting. This is algebra, guys. sine squared, then 3 into exponent. Where I see x, I'm placing 17, right? So I'm gonna get my final answer. Please type in the final answer in the chat box. I want to see the answer in the chat box, as well as 4.3. Answer in the chat box for 4.2. Oh, it's 4.2.2. This is 0.1, and this is 4.2.2. It's 4.2. Can I see? Okay. Okay. Ranzu says it's 0.74. Who else is getting 0.74? Who else is getting 0.074? Oh, fine. Can we do the correction? So answer is 0.74. 0.74. That's the answer I'm getting from you. Is it correct?
I didn't get 0.74. I got 0.40.
Used as a third bedroom. So it's actually a little bit bigger inside than you would expect. Okay. I really did want.
How much are you getting? Okay, I'm putting it in the calculator and I'm checking, yeah? So it's I'm getting 0.339. So it's 0.4.
Yeah, 0.404.
Yes, that's what I'm getting.
Yes.
Yes,
How much is
yes.
0.74?
Yes. Okay, there's a mistake there, Ranzu. Fix your mistake, ne? Just an error in the calculator. Fix your mistake.
Can I type in how I put it?
On the chat, do it on the chat box. It's fine.
Okay.
And then we'll do 4.2, right? So for 4.2.2, you have 5 sec x plus 3, right? Second, what is the second? Second also for this question, 5 sec plus 3. For this question, you're gonna say 5 second x plus 3. This is equal to 5 multiplied by 1 over sine. Oh, well, sec, it's actually the reciprocal of cos. So it's going to be cos of how much is x? 17. It's 17 plus 3. then you're gonna get your answer. Right, you know the final answer from here. You just click in the calculator. Well, thank you, Mukelani, there for the advice too. Hunza.
Wait, sir, isn't it supposed to be 5 over cos 17? Because
Yes, it's the yes.
yes,
Actually,
5 over, not
yeah,
5
it's
in.
the same thing. You remember? Listen, you remember when you multiplied A times 1 over B? You got your answer
Yes.
as A over
A over B.
yes. So you can even write it as
Yes.
5 over cos 17 is fine. So I was just elaborating and emphasizing the part right here, right? That when you change second, it becomes this.
1 over cos.
That part, yes, 1 over cos. If it's cotangent, it's 1 over tan. If it's cosec, it's 1 over sine. You understand that part? Fine. And then let's look for another extract, because this is basically 4.3. It's basically what we have done.
Let's continue to ask her. Oh, here's an ask. This is a foxy room. It's a good size.
I don't want to get mad. I'm trying to control myself, guys. Like, really, come on. Give me that chance, eh? Akbatu kwad. Come on. Come on now. Anyway, it's fine. We'll look at another extract, eh?
You said we're not doing 4.3, right?
4.3. Yeah, don't do 4.3. You'll do it on your own, eh? And then if you're struggling, you'll text in the group chat. Ne?
Okay.
Yes. I'm trying to find a question that has diagrams that are actually one. Okay, yeah, this one looks interesting. Extract, can you see extract number 9? Extract number 9. People are waiting. People are actually joining when there's 4 minutes left. Wow, oh my gosh. Your people, these kids. Nitembe nina, eh? Hey.
Wait, do we have 4 minutes left or does the lesson still end at 7?
Well, I can
Down to this.
I can make 7. I'll try to push it. Eh?
About 7,000 square feet.
But so you said 7, Moss.
This
You
house.
said 7.
Hello, Nana. Hello, hello. Please, do. Please. 7 o'clock. How na the chores? Santu katu di kotolo. You santu clean. We have to excuse ka go attend the maths when.
said Dallas
That's what you
cleaning.
said.
Let's
So
excuse.
you said 7. It's not an excuse.
Some of them they struggle to log into this account, yes, Zoom.
Yeah.
Thing.
So you were struggling to log in.
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's nice. That's good. It shows that you are very young. Yeah, you learn so like technology. Fine, I've been
So,
recording these sessions. Don't worry, you're gonna watch them over and over until you get bored. Yes.
So when are we ending?
In 3 minutes. I'm not sure if because we have to do extract number 9. We'll do extract number 9. After extract number 9, then I think I'll.
Okay.
Yeah, you can listen. If you enjoying sessions, we can even still have another session tomorrow, although it's not in the timetable. Ne?
Okay.
Yes. Yes. So Scan.
Yes.
No thanks. No thanks.
Fine. So let's look at extract number 9. Ne? Sharp. Everybody mute your microphone. In extract number 9, the diagram below, there's ABC, which is a triangle, ACD, ADE are right angle triangles. So we have 3 right angle triangles. Well, it's actually, yes, the 4 triangles. So this is a quadrilateral, right? It has 4 sides, A, B, C, D, E. Fine. So we're gonna look at it's actually yes, it's 5 actually. So calculate calculate the length of AC. AC, it's the hypotenuse of triangle ABC. So if it's the hypotenuse side, ne, and I'm given the opposite side, the angle, right? And I want the hypotenuse. I have the opposite and the angle. So a trig ratio that includes an angle, an opposite side, and a hypotenuse. It's a sine ratio, right? So I'm going to say,
Wait, so please repeat what you just said.
okay. What I'm saying is, if they say to you, calculate length of AC, they want AC. If you look in the triangle ABC, it's a right angle triangle. So we are given an angle and its opposite side. We want the hypotenuse. So if we have that information, trig ratio that deals with opposite side and hypotenuse, it's called sine. Sharp. This is what I mean. Sine of 30 degrees. Sine of 30 degrees. Sine of 30 degrees. What is opposite 30 degrees in triangle ABC?
20.
AB. Is it AB?
Yeah,
Raise
it's
up your hand.
BC.
It's BC. Thank you very much.
20.
I think
Yeah,
I can
20.
raise up
It's
your hand.
20, so
We don't sing online. How many times do I have to tell you this? Akona di choir online. If COVID is thing, akona di choir, but to binang ababi. Please mute. Mute. Thank you, Gombi and Mo. Thank you. Thank you for following the instructions. Yes,
It's BC.
it's BC. So it's going to be
Yeah.
BC. What is the value of BC? So
20.
say BC, yes. BC over what?
Yo. It's BC over 18.
BC over?
AC.
Good.
AC.
Yeah, AC.
I
I thought I was speaking
Yeah.
to one person. Eh? AC.
Okay.
Thank you. So this is all over 1, right?
yes.
I cross multiply. Cross multiply. Because I'm solving for AC. So I'm gonna say AC sine 30 is equal to BC. So AC, I'm gonna divide by sine 30. So AC, I'm gonna divide by sine 30. Sine 30. So AC is equal to, what is the value of BC?
Wait.
Is equal to, what is the value of BC?
So couldn't you have
it's
no?
20, so
20 over sine 30.
Wait, stop.
And then I take the calculator, what does it give me?
Stop.
How much are we getting?
Wait, stop.
40.
40.
Yes.
Amukelani, yes? Is it 40?
Stop. Couldn't you? Weren't you only supposed to divide by 30 and then you must take sine to that side and you find inverse?
Everybody mute. The next session, nobody's will talk. Ne? I've made my decision. Nobody's talking the next session. You'll just do the chat box. Continue, Amgelan.
Couldn't you have divided each side by 30 and then used sine inverse?
No.
Why?
You want to divide by 30. This thing, yeah, ne? It goes together. It's one thing. The sine 30 is one thing, ne?
Oh,
Yeah. So it's
Oh.
its own ratio on its own. So you cannot separate it. Are we good?
Yes.
yes, thank you.
So the answer is, Gumbi, you have something to say?
I want to give you the answer, sir.
What is the answer?
40.
40.
40. Gumbi.
I will.
Zibonela kwena papu paphang ne. Wena nkare ke tlo ntsha mo.
Say.
Raise your hand. Do you understand? There's options to raise your hand here. I got it on the so. And now more TV. Get to cover screen series. Na kano go TV. Stop. 4.1.2. Ne. CAD. Do we know what CAD is?
PAD.
Yeah. Is it which thingy? Which triangle does it lie? Which triangle does it lie to? CAD.
The middle one.
Give me the triangle. Type it. Okay, Gumbi. Yes.
So isn't it a right angle triangle as well?
A. Well, the whole of A, right? BAE.
A. Oh, okay, no.
BAE is 90 degrees. Okay? So we want CAD. CAD is this triangle here in the middle. It's CAD. Can you see it? Okay. So this triangle right here, it's going to be this angle here. We found AC, right? So let me redraw ACD. Like this is, so it's A, C, D. So here we have a 90 degrees, right? We have a chair, ne? Yes. So this, we don't know, we want this angle. We know this side, ne? We just calculated the side was 40, and then this other side is 60. 60. So which trig ratio can I use to find A?
Cos.
Good. So I'm gonna say cos. Why am I using cos?
You're given the adjacent and the hypotenuse.
I'm given the adjacent and the hypotenuse. Very good. A, D. So this is equal to AC over AD. So cos of CAD is going to be equal to 40 over 60. So 40 over 60. So CAD, why am I writing small letter? CAD is going to be the arc sine of 40 and 60. And then Amukelani, I think this is what you were talking about, ne? Separation of this, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, share, bagena, ne? So the only time you're gonna do this, it's when you are looking for the angle. Until we are looking for the angle, CAT.
Yeah.
In the previous one, we had the, Babo, we had the
Also,
angle.
we're looking for a side.
Yeah, we were looking for a side. So if we're looking for an angle, then we can do this, Babo.
Oh, okay.
Did I answer it now?
Yeah, thanks.
So what's the answer for this? Give me the answer.
48. So 48,18.
48,19.
Yeah, 48,19.
Shireen? Answer? Okay.
Sir, don't you mind repeating the question? The method
question.
again?
Can you repeat?
The method. Yes, sir. So,
Can you repeat that?
please repeat the method of 4.1.2.
4.9.2. Is it the question we're doing right now?
4.9.2. Yes.
Or is this one?
Yes, the same question would do. This one. Yes, sir.
Okay. Sharp.
Sharp.
Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look at the diagram first.
Manipulate.
I have 60 and 40. Ne? So 60 is 40, it's which side to A? What is which side to A?
Adjacent.
Thank you. That's why I'm using cosine. If 40 was on CD, if I had this, something like this, if I had something like this, and then A, K, X, right angle triangle, CAP. And I was given 40 here, and then 60. And I wanted K. What was I gonna use? Raise up your hand if you have an answer. Don't answer, raise up your hand if you have an answer. Kumbi, yes?
So isn't it sine?
Why do you wanna use sine?
Because we have the adjacent.
And,
Oh no, but we don't have the hypotenuse.
okay.
And we have the adjacent and the opposite though.
So what can you use?
Let me check.
Okay, Matsiliso?
So we can
Okay, your network?
Tan. Only using tan.
We can use tangent, right?
Yeah.
Because you have the opposite side as well as the adjacent, right? These are opposite to a specific angle, right? 40 is not opposite to A, or it is actually, but it's not adjacent, right? X, which side is opposite to X? Raise up your hand. Which side is opposite to X? Hans, you have an answer?
Is it AK?
AK, good. AK is opposite to X, good. And then which side is adjacent to A? Okay, Twa? Which side is adjacent?
So what did you say?
Which side
To X?
is adjacent to A?
A.
Yeah, here's A. Which side is
That
adjacent?
would be XK.
You think it's
Isn't
XK?
it XK? Yeah, I think.
Adjacent.
Adjacent. Oh, AX.
AX is adjacent to A. Thank you. Ne? So in this case, can you see that we only have the adjacent side as well as the hypotenuse? This one we can use tan. For K. For K, we're gonna say tan K is equal to 60 over 40. That's what we can use. And then on this side, what do we use? Tangent, cosine, because we want A and the adjacent side. So I'm gonna say cos of A. I can even put it as A, but I want you to write it in full. CAD, CAD is equal to the 40 over 60. So I'm gonna say CAD. It's the arc sign, of course. 40 over 60. What is it equal to?
So I'm still getting 48,19. Are we doing the cost though?
Mm-hmm.
You want the answer
Mm-hmm.
for tan or for cost?
For cost.
48,19.
How many of you are going to say it's 48?
48,19.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the same answer for cost.
You like
48,19.
Yo, yes. It's choir, ne? Netherlands French, maths choir. And I'm going to spelling bee, the choir. Sharp. So DE. So you have this also. And then DE. How can you find DE? Yes, Amukelani.
I wasn't talking.
How can we find DE? The length of DE. The length of DE. Okay, fine. Ne? Listen very careful. Ne? BAE. This whole angle. It's okay. Ranzu, you have something to say? Okay. Sharp.
No, sir.
Okay. So can we look at the diagram very carefully? So BAE. On BAE, you have 30 degrees, right? CAD, we just calculated it. It's how much did we get? 48,19, isn't it? That's how much we got. So this we're gonna say 90 degrees minus 48,1919 plus 30. We're looking at this angle right here, isn't it? And then what I can say is from here, I can get this angle. Do you all understand each other? For angle BAE, let me write it in full so that you can understand. BAE. Bay, it's bay. Bay is 90 degrees. Bay is 90 degrees. Your bay is 90 degrees. Can we all see BAE?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the whole of the triangle is 90 degrees, Angel. And BAE also, it's made up of CAE and what also? CAD, I've named CAD. Which other one? Raise up your hand if you have the two answers.
ABC.
Is it ABC? Okay, Bokang. Bokang? It's CAD plus what?
So there is ABC and ADE.
If you say ABC, you mean the 90 degrees. The angle that's in the middle, it's one you're talking about. Ayaka? Ayaka? Ayaka?
I pretty much sure.
Yes, sir.
You were saying?
Uguti, until you asked Uguti, ABE is made out of 3 triangles.
Yes, 3 triangles.
Right? And then you added CAD, right?
CAD?
Which is the triangle in the middle.
Yes.
Which is the triangle in the middle. Yeah. And then you asked us the other two. Which is ABC and ADE.
It's A.
Right?
Yeah, yes, those are the triangles. Yes. I want the angles. What is angle that? The angle that.
I'm lost.
Please name that angle. What is angle that? The angle that. Please name the angle.
Which angle, sir?
I'm lost.
Which angle, sir?
Yeah, so this is the angles I'm talking about. Right?
So this is the angles I'm talking about.
B. B is equal to angle.
B is equal to angle
AC. Can you see BAC? BAC. That's the angle that's equal to 30 degrees. Sharin? What's going on, Sharin?
Okay, Sek
Yeah.
Again, we've calculated the scene. I go from 4.1. Then when it gave us 4.9, it gave us 48,119. It's 48,19, I think.
48,99. Keep BAC.
Yes, is it 48,19?
Okay. So I'm giving you all the triangles, ne? All the angles.
Okay.
This is equal to also C A C A D C A D. Here is CAD. CAD as well as DAE plus DAE. DAE. Do you see DAE, CAD, BAC? These are all, they lie at A. All these triangles lie at A. They lie at A, all these triangles. Do you understand that part?
Yes, sir.
Sharp. So I'm going to say after, because this is 90 degrees, yeah? I'm going to say 90 degrees is equal to BAC. Do we have BAC? Do we have the value of BAC?
Yes.
What is the value of BAC?
30 degrees.
30 degrees plus
48.19.
19.
Yes, 48,
Sharp.
Yes.
So plus DAE again. So this,
Yes.
how much is that? 78.19, isn't it? Is equal to
Yes.
BAE. Okay, my connection is a problem. I don't know what's going on. Eh? It's very unstable. So what is the value of DAE? Give me the answer.
11,
11,
81.
81.
Yes.
I've calculated the value, right? So I have this value here. So if I were to redraw the triangle ADE, 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 here's the triangle here.
Donna.
Ntwana, utovaya ne? This is the right angle triangle. This is the 60. This is the D. Then this is the A right here. Then this is the A right? So this is this angle right here. Why one?
Yes, sir.
Sharp. So just start in order to find what are we calculating? Let's go back to the what are we calculating? DE and get.
Yes.
So give me the trig ratios. Link DE. Say involving DE, by the way, opposite to A, right? So what are the trig ratios opposite side?
10.
10.
10 and what?
And sin.
Then
Isn't
the
And sin.
isn't it sick
Fine.
or
Thank you.
sin?
Fine.
Wena nagano ko kerekeng, what is sin? Go botse kereke. Stop. So, one that has, okay, what is AD? AD in terms of A, is it opposite, is it hypotenuse, or is it adjacent side?
It's the adjacent side.
Adjacent.
Stop. So, which ratio am I taking between tangent and side?
Tan.
Tangent. Thank you. So I'm gonna say tan. Tan what?
and 11,81.
Thank you. Tan 11,81 is equal to what? D E over,
I don't know.
So
yes?
Isn't it 60?
Let's go back to the
Isn't it
diagram. It's A
E over
D E. Can you see? A D E. We look focused on this triangle. Sharp.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's 60.
So it's D E over.
60.
Thank you. So we cross multiply, right? This is all over 1.
Yeah.
Use another different thing
10.
to show that we are cross multiplying all over 1. So it's going to be DE. DE is equal to 60 times 11,81. So how much are you getting?
I'm getting
12,56.
12,56.
5.
5,6. Okay.
5,6, guys. No, the other thing is over 5. It's 5,6.
Okay. Okay, don't fight. Né? It's 5,6.
Really isn't 5, 6. Please put it in the calculator.
Units.
It's 12,56 exactly.
No, it's
The other
Up, so it makes. Oh, guys, it is 5-5. It is.
It's 5,5.
it's 5,5.
Okay. Rounding off is a
12,5.
problem. Né?
Oh yeah, give 5,5. Sorry.
Hey, rounding off is a problem. I started to round off.
No, so I looked at the other opposite thingy.
Oh. Okay, it's fine. Sharp.
12,55.
Sharp, né? So it's 3 marks. So this is how they align your marks. Né? They're gonna give you a mark for calculating this DAE. Né? You're gonna get a mark for calculating DAE. You're gonna get a mark for using tangent. And then you get the final mark for the final answer. So this is 3 marks. And
Are we done?
anybody with an question?
Are we done?
I think when I said that will be the last, I was saying
So are we getting homework?
there's homework. You have a workbook. What do you mean?
I don't have the work.
You even at
so I
home.
don't.
How do you ask for a homework when you're at home?
We're asking for homework. Sis.
You are at home. The work you are doing is
You
you're like. You understand what homework
You
is?
asking for homework.
Yeah, I'm getting you giving us via the online thing, and then Tina,
Yo,
when you're done with
I
it,
know.
we're gonna stay
I love
home.
that one.
Hello. My man. It's homework. The work you are doing right now, you are doing it at home. So it's homework. So you can't say
Extra, okay.
but it's share, but who the extra?
Extra words.
Give it to her by herself. Give it to her
Yeah,
by
but
herself.
extract again. Extractor say it's an extract
Yeah, I can see them.
extract number. Okay. Do extract number
2.
3.
You said we must skip 2.
Okay, let me see 2. Yeah, you must do also 2. And number
Thank you, sir.
And you said extra.
and 6. 2, 3, 6. Sharp, ne?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Tomorrow.
Bye, bye, bye.
Yeah, binang, well.
Bye.
Bye.
See you next year.
Wait, she said 2, 3, and
So
6.
kosha quick upi, man, son.
Wait, is it 2, 3, and 6?
Yeah, 2, 3, and 6.